Hi, my name is Doug Hopper, and I am the Director of Reagent Manufacturing located in St. Louis, Missouri facility. Our St. Louis team proudly manufactures in vitro diagnostic test kits. The real people, though, that benefit from these tests are those people that are ill and in need of treatment. They can be our neighbors, they can be our friends, they can be our family. And our St. Louis team is proud of what we make here. Each and every day we come in and we make product that is used around the world for healthcare for all of us. We are here for you. We are here today, we're here tomorrow, and we're in the future. Be safe and be healthy.